Good day, everyone. Let me welcome you to my YouTube channel. So today I just want to explain brief solar installation to you, so you can see. So this is a solar panel. This is a solar panel. You can see how the panel goes. So I just want to explain to you how to do a series connection, like how to connect a solar panel in a series way. We have two main type of connection. We have series connection and parallel connection. But today I want to focus on series connection for you. So this is a solar panel, as you can see it right here. So this, if you look here, this is the positive terminal. You can see it. Then this is the negative terminal, and this is the negative terminal, while this is the positive terminal. So then let me show you how the cable is being so you position it very well. So let me show you how the connection is spinning around. So if you want to connect serially, like in a series way, so this is the, I told you that this is the negative connection. So the negative will come to the positive. This is positive. You can see the red bond here, like a red bond. So this is positive. So the negative of the first panel will go to the positive of the second panel here. So connect it this way. You key it. You let it be firm. Like you've seen it, let it be firm. So then the negative here, right here, will go. The negative here, like the second negative of the second panel. So we'll go to the negative, to the positive of the third panel. This is the third panel, as you can see it. So connect it this way. See, that's connected. So same thing applicable to the, this is the third. So the negative of this, so it goes to the positive. You get? Then this is the fourth panel. As you can see it right here. So this is the fourth panel. So the negative of the fourth goes to the positive of the fourth. The negative of the third goes to the positive of the fourth. This is the fourth panel. As you can see it right here. So when we're not done, you now see that we have one cable that is left. Like one cable that is left. The positive of the leaves, the positive here will be left. Like the positive here will be left. So it is that same positive that we now use a cable to connect to the one that is going to the board. So let me go and show you. Like that is going inside the ceiling. So let me go and show you. I told you the other time that the one going inside the ceiling, like going into the building, So this is the cable. Blue, as it's coming from that place, so it comes to this place. Then the negative is over there. The negative is over there. So give me. Let me just take.
4 minutes first.
So
Push okay.
Yeah. So it shows that there is current there. Like
so you want to come back here. A wheel toto.
So So this is the cable entering the ceiling. I just through the ceiling. So let me show you. So this is where it enters the roof. So this is where it enters the roof. So I'll go and show you where it will enter, how to do the connection to the battery and the other connection. So inside the house, but from here, so this cable enter the roof. So I'm still going to show you. So kindly subscribe to the channel. I will promise to be giving you interesting solar installation and electrical tips. So this is the back panel, as you can see it right here. So this is the panel. So this is actually a duplex that we've done. So I'll go and show you how the connection is done. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So drop your comments. If you have any question, if you have any inquiry, you can just drop it. I will respond to you. Thank you very much for your time.